Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for DIY home and brewing supplies business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So let's enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own website without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, create new site. Now build with the Wix editor. Here enter your business type or your website type, DIY home and brewing. So let's choose this for example. If you wanna skip, you can skip from here. Now let's continue preparing the dashboard. So enter your store name or your business name here, type any business name you want, and let's continue. You already have an online store and you want to move an existing store to Wix. Not yet. What would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products, services, digital products, and print on demand products. Now let's continue. Where would you like to sell? Online store, my mobile app, and marketplaces and social media. Continue to dashboard. Now design your site. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So here enter your information, your business name, the email, your address, and your phone. Here if you wanna add the social link. So let's continue now, and here pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage design. So let's pick this for example. So here if you want to add some page to your site, now let's continue. Now your site is ready, is up and running. So if you want to edit more your website, go to the editor. So this is your homepage website. If you want to add some elements, click here. So the first element here is the text. If you wanna edit the text or the shape or the form of the text, you can select any form you want. Now let's move on to the titles and the paragraphs. The same thing here. You can edit the text of this. Now let's move on to the next elements, the image elements. Here if you're looking for something, if you wanna upload image, if you wanna import image, here if you're looking for some free Wix image. Now let's move on to the button, the themed buttons. Here you have the text and icon buttons. So if you wanna edit the shape or the form of the buttons, just select any button you want and put it on your homepage website. Here the icon buttons, the image buttons, document buttons, and the iTunes buttons, and the last here is the payment buttons. So let's move on to the strip. The classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and theme. So if you want to add something here, just add it on your homepage website, and that's it. It will be done. Now let's move on to the decorative, the shapes. Here you find the same lines, the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines, the vertical lines. So if you want to edit something, you can add it on your homepage here at any place you want. Here the vector art, the feature, the icons, animals and nature, the logos and the badges, and the characters. And here you find the video elements, the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. Now let's move on to the boxes section. Here the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. So if you want to add something, you can just select it and you can put it on your home page. Now let's move on to the galleries. Here if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or here if you want to show more galleries. Now let's move on to the menus and the anchor. Here if you're looking for some themed menus, so here you can choose any themed menus you want. The horizontal menus, the vertical menus, here the end page navigations, the anchor and the end page menu, and the last here is search, the site search. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here all of the forms you want to add on your website. Here the contact, the order, the jurisdiction, donation and application, feedback, request and waiver and subscribe forms. all all of these, just select any one of them and you can add it on your homepage website. Now let's move on to the Google Maps. Here you find the normal maps and the full width maps, and here you find the shots, the Wix shots and the line. And let's move on to the video and music. Here you find the video elements. You can edit the video section here. There's a single video player, Wix video or video box, video mask and transparent video. Here you find the music elements. So if you want to add some audio players, Wix Music, SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes player. Here you find the interactive slideshows. If you want to edit the slideshows section, the full width slideshows or boxes slideshows. Here you find the light boxes, and here you find the boxes and the repeaters. Now let's move on to the list. If you want to add some over repeaters or blank repeaters, just select any one of them. You can add it on your homepage. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom some popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, here if you want to edit your audio section, here the advanced elements, the marketing tools and the velo dev mode, and the last here the animation. So let's move on to the social bars. If you want to add some social bars here, select any social bar you want. If you want to add some Facebook link or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, and also here YouTube. Now let's move on to the payments. If you want to edit some payments buttons, if you want to edit your payments forms, the pricing plans and the store if you want to edit your store elements. Now let's move on to the CMS here if you want to easily manage your site content, the blog here if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience. You find here the store. Also here you can edit your store section, the bookings elements and the related elements and the pricing plans. Now let's move on to the events. If you want to create and manage events, community, and the last here is your designs. If you want to add some sections, click here, select any section you want from here. If you want to add some page menu, you can add it from here. If you want to design your site, click site design. Here you can customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you want to add some apps, here if you want to manage your business, here if you want to upload your media and edit images and videos, and here if you want to manage your site content, and the last here is the marketing and SEO, the Google ads and the Facebook ads. So that's it. Now if you wanna if you're done from editing and designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website and it should be done. Now that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.